In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to slow down a video on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the video you want to edit. This built-in option works for the videos recorded at higher frame rates like 60 frame rates per second. Tap on the edit button, then look for the small clock icon in the top right corner. Tap it and you'll be able to reduce the playback speed, such as setting it to 50%. At the bottom, you can use the slider to choose exactly which part of the video slows down, allowing the rest of the clip to play at normal speed. If you don't see this option, you can use a free third-party app like CapCut. Download and open CapCut, tap New Video and import a video. To slow down the entire clip, select the video so it's highlighted. Now swipe through the tools at the bottom, tap Speed, and choose a slower playback rate like 0.x or 0.8x. If you only want to slow down a specific section, split the video where the slow motion should start and end. Select that portion, tap Speed again, and adjust the speed using either the normal or curve option. Once you are happy with the result, tap Export to save the slowed down video to your iPhone and share it wherever you like. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.